Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by checking coverage and capability. Confirm Wi 5G reaches your exact address, then make sure your SIM is 5G provisioned. Next, verify your phone model and firmware support the band's Wi uses. Update the device software if needed. Once done, power cycle the phone after inserting the SIM. This forces a network reattach. If you have dual SIM, place Wi in the primary slot. Also, enable network settings so the device can search 5G NR bands automatically. Now configure the device and account. Open mobile network settings and set preferred network to 5G/auto. Enable NR or 5G options. Then check APN entries. Enter Vi's APN precisely so data and IMS services register. Leave username and password blank unless carrier supplied them. After that, confirm your Vi plan supports 5G data, upgrade or recharge if necessary. Once these are complete, reconnect to the network and let the phone negotiate the correct 5G band automatically for best throughput. Finally, confirm connection and validate performance. Look for the 5G indicator, run a speed test, and note latency and Mbps. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode, power off/on, or reset the SIM. Make sure carrier settings are current. If that fails, update firmware or test with another 5G phone. This isolates device versus account problems. And if things still go wrong, contact Vi support to reprovision the SIM or check local cell status. They can push network settings remotely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.